Smartphones are really useful for photographers if you're using the right apps. I want to share a few of my favorite apps for photographers in this video. This video is brought to you by Squarespace, the easy all-in-one platform for building a website, blog, or online gallery, and they've got a sweet app that lets you easily update your website from any mobile device. I'm on Android, so these apps are Android-based, though you can find many of them on iOS as well. Let's start with the basics. What's the weather going to be like today? I mean, this is a critical question for landscape photographers, and honestly, it's pretty important for everyone except, well, maybe studio photographers. I really like Weather Underground's info and display, and they let you set up these smart forecasts that can quickly give you an idea of optimal times for various activities, including landscape or even astrophotography. Along with Weather Underground, I use Storm for real-time radar that can be helpful to know exactly when that rain is going to start or stop at your location. I find watching the radar and the movement of the precipitation is incredibly accurate and gives you a better idea than any written short-term forecasts. Though I sometimes want to read the written forecasts and see what the weather nerds are saying about the future, and the Noaa app gives me a straightforward look at each day and provides an easy click to read the incredibly nerdy but useful forecast discussion. Now, I live near the coast and we regularly run workshops on both coasts. Knowing the tide and what it's doing is critical to knowing how much beach or rock is going to be exposed, and if the tide is headed out, giving you plenty of time to shoot, or if it's coming in and you need to be very careful about not getting stranded. Tides charts near me is a simple representation of the tides near you, with automatic updating based on your location. Photopills. This is huge, and I was really happy when they ported over to Android. First, I love the widget. At a glance, I know the sunset, the sunrise, the moonrise, and even the status of the galactic core for my location. And again, that automatically updates. Once you dive into the app, you find tons of useful information, from the planner to the AR that helps you line up for those sunsets, sunrises, and star trails. And there's additional calculators that further help your planning. Really, it is packed full of useful information and well worth the $10 it costs. Yes, you can find many of these kind of informational bits in other apps for free, but I haven't found anything that brings them all together so nicely polished in one app. And Squarespace. The Squarespace app makes it really easy to update your site with posts, photos, and even video. The one way to get people to come back to your site again and again is to update the content and offer information behind the photos. Squarespace makes it incredibly easy to build a big, beautiful website and allow you to display your work in that beautiful way. And the app makes it really easy to update on the go. They've got additional apps that allow you to track your analytics, keep notes, update your store, and more. Look, it's fine to be sharing your work on Instagram, but you should have a website where you control everything and display your work professionally in this big, beautiful way. Squarespace makes it really easy to do that with beautiful custom templates and 24/7 support, along with easy custom domains. Get your own website today at squarespace.com/photorectv, and you can save 10% off your purchase. A couple of more apps. Snapseed. Still my favorite editor for quick edits of photos captured with the phone or transferred via Wi-Fi from your camera, but Lightroom is coming on strong, and recent updates have seriously improved the capabilities and, most importantly, the stability of that app, almost making it my pick over Snapseed. But go watch my Snapseed Secrets video. I'll link it at the end of this one. There are just a couple of quick tricks that really still make Snapseed my pick for image editing on the go. I continue to use Later for an easy way to get Instagram images and captions to your phone. I hate writing captions and hashtags on my mobile device, and recent updates to the paid plan gives you the best times to post for your account and auto suggestion of hashtags, making new posts easy. The MyOps mobile remote. I talked about this on my recent Yosemite trip. With this small dongle, you can trigger your camera in a whole host of ways. I'm finding it really useful. I'm going to be posting a whole separate review and video about this device soon, but for now I can give the app a solid thumbs up. And the Tracker Pixel. This little Bluetooth tracker lets me ping my camera bag and sets an alert if it moves outside of Bluetooth range. Now, I've only started using this. It's certainly not a foolproof way to protect your camera bag, but at least it gives you a little bit more peace of mind. I also use it on my wallet and car keys. That's a look at the apps that I find useful. You can find links to all of these apps below this video. I'd love to know your favorite apps for photographers. It might be one I covered or something I missed. Leave that in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more future gear reviews, tips, tricks, and more. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. Go make yourself a beautiful website at squarespace.com/photorectv. Bye-bye.